I'm still getting $10,000 in a fucking day. So as you can see, I'm 22 years old.
Morning, yo. Long time no see. 7:41 over here, AM. And as you can see, man, a lot has changed since our last vlog.
Y'all, peep this to-do list, bro. And it goes more down, bro. I gotta like up, you know what I'm saying? I have a lot to do today. So that's why I'm up at that's why I'm waking up at 7:30 this morning and just grinding all this workout. Finally at my desk, got fucking ready. Got my computer, my laptop, and then connected to a monitor. I don't need a PC because it's just not something I do. But yeah, so like I said, I'm just gonna knock out some of these like little tasks right now. I just gotta check emails and go through Twitter, go through my DMs, I think just a little bit. And I don't know if I just said clear my emails, but I gotta go through all of that. And then you guys can see a little bit what I do. I'm not gonna show you guys the little stuff like emails, but customer service, it would probably be the only thing that I would show you guys, but I don't think I got any emails from that. If you're an entrepreneur, bro, waking up early, bro, you gotta have one of these over ice, you feel me? You gotta have a coffee maker, bro, because you're just gonna be spending countless money on coffee, going to coffee shops that I always tell you guys, like coffee shops, I have to start it, I didn't even start it. Coffee shops are the cheat code to being a millionaire, literally. Like I go to coffee shops and I just grind. But if you're working from home, bro, and you don't want to go to damn coffee shops, this is the cheat code right here. Put in some music with some coffee. I like mine iced, you feel me? But you know, whatever this is, I don't even know. But this shit's gonna be fire. All right, y'all, so I did just open up, or not open up, but pretty much just like set up my entire Discord. So I have a free Discord and I have a premium Discord, but the free Discord, bruh, it's still giving out sauce every single day. I do voice notes as well. Content feedback, challenge submissions, so I'll do challenges. Obviously I'll join premium, testimonials, recommended tools, so you guys can have like free Shopify for like 3 months. And then obviously whatever you get in the premium is premium, and obviously one-on-one is different. But yeah, if you guys want to join, that link will be in the description below. 40 minutes later, $10,000 in a fucking day, bro. Congrats, my boy. All right, y'all, so right now it's 10:17, bro. My haircut was supposed to be at 10, damn. My haircut was supposed to be at 10:15, bro. I was dead ass so locked in. Bro, so I missed my haircut. Anyways, I'm gonna get a haircut around like 4:30. As you can see, I was locked, bro. It's currently 10, I got all these done. And I pretty much just got back to all my DMs. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can always comment. But DMing me is a lot better for the both of us. Bro, I'm still getting paid from a video that I haven't posted in months, bro. Like, it's actually insane. I'm not, and I already leaked this product. I am never leaking another product to you motherfuckers again. The only reason I say that is because you guys look at my product, steal the video, steal the exact website, and run it up yourself and get millions of views just stealing my videos. So you are not seeing my current product, but I don't mind showing you guys this shit because you guys already know what it is. But I'm still getting paid from it. Like, I don't even post on the account anymore. And that's the great thing about dropshipping, is because you do not need to do it I mean, obviously you have to do it every day, because if you want consistent sales and everything, you need to do it every day. If you want to retire, you got to do shit every day. You got to actually put in the work. But anyways, let's just go ahead and give you an update on what I have done to this fucking Batmobile, big ass Tonka. Anyways, it's a Toyota RAV4, blacked out the wheels, tinted the headlights, tinted the license plate, black license plate as well, blacked out the emblems. Literally cannot see fucking through that thing. 5% tint, 5% tint. This is like 15% tint. I'm thinking about tinting the headlights. Somebody fucking hit and run me. Fuck whoever that is. Hope he has diarrhea and shit. And then 35% on the windshield. Not bad for a daily. Obviously, like I told you guys, there's no more Corvette anymore. So sad, bro. I don't even want to talk about it. So as you can see, We're locked on Discord. Free Discord, free VC. Just joined it. Alright, y'all. So I finally finished deep cleaning my apartment. I'll show you guys the entire thing, and I don't have to find shit over anymore. But anyways, so boom. Front door right there. Fucking AC, little storage closet. And then this is what my view is when I enter the building. This is what my view is when I go ahead and enter. I'm doing laundry right now, so don't mind that. Trash can, don't worry about that. But yeah, kitchen right here, island. You see the walls right here. Just, I don't know, bro. I'm just fucking around trying to see how it looks. I want to put this up, but I gotta get some more shit for it. Go yard, definitely a must. I definitely use this every day because I don't want to fill my pockets up with fucking like bulky. I have 2 phones, 2 wallets, a set of keys, maybe a firearm. So like, you know what I'm saying? I do have to do the dishes. That's like everything else. I have to do that. I gotta get new plants today or tomorrow. Fucking eucalyptus and just whatever the fuck this is. The couch, not bad. I just got this fucking carpet yesterday from Amazon. Let me know how you guys feel about that. I'm not even sure yet. Obviously, I need a coffee table. I do need a TV stand right there, even though it's mounted. I still need a TV stand. It looks like shit right now. And then this is the setup. This is like obviously my favorite part because this is where I make my fucking bread. I guess set of books, speaker, PlayStation controller, as you can see. A lamp, W fucking lamp. I'm in the fucking woods. I'm in the jungle. So obviously I don't get a lot of natural lighting. Like I need that. I literally need these lights on. Otherwise it would be dark. Unfortunately, but it is what it is. Nice chill, bro. Humid as a motherfucker. Anyways, we come over here. This is my bedroom. So you walk in. I do need 2 nightstands on each side with lamps. So I'm getting that soon. Nice little plane in that corner. I don't know what else to do, bro. I literally don't use this room for anything else besides sleeping. And, you know. And then W fucking mirror. Been had this mirror since my old apartment. She's fire. So, anyways, we come in here. Whoop. Boom. Fucking boom. W setup right here. W Lalabo. All these colognes. Fire. Fucking chill. Nice chill. W shower. I fuck with this setup a lot. It's a shower-proof lamp. Bro, it's fire. It looks W with the plant. Fucking Lilabo. I just got this fucking shampoo like 2 days ago, bro, from Lilabo. $63. $63 from Lilabo. W purchase. We come in here, and as you can see here, closet, shoe setup. Got Louis Vuitton loafers in there because fuck I look like putting them in there. Nice little closet. I mean, nothing too crazy. Hat setup, Rolex with the Go Yard. I got the Rolex on, as you can see, so it's not gonna be in there. Hats, beanies, glasses, you know. Tissot, bro, Tissot, not bad, bro. I was hating on it in the beginning, but it's actually not a bad watch. If you know, you know. We're not gonna reveal what kind of watch that is yet. But yeah, bro, nice and simple, nothing too crazy. Fucking tired as shit. Was grinding, bro. I look like a fucking zombie right now. Anyways, just got fucking done grinding. Now at the damn pool, just chilling. Not gonna do anything too crazy, but I mean the pool is fire, bro. Not gonna lie. But yeah, bro. Just chilling right now. I'm about to go home, get dressed, get ready. I just ate good as fuck. Haven't drank in a minute. I'm drinking. Bro, they're playing fucking Jurassic Park right now. What the fuck? And that will probably be the end of the night. I am gonna go home. Alright, so that is gonna be the end of today's video. I'm think I'm gonna make the title, "This is why I work hard," POV, this is why I work hard. And this is it. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, at any time. You know what I'm saying? And I'm fighting for financial freedom. No, I'm not fighting for the high-rise apartment in Miami. I'm not fighting for a Lamborghini Urus. I'm not fighting for any of these materialistic things. I'm fighting for financial freedom. I'm fighting for, I never fucking had this. I never had this. I was at negative $2 in my bank account. I didn't grow up rich. I grew up single mom in one household. Me and her, we went through a lot. You know what I'm saying? She barely spoke English, and she made it fucking happen. Okay, and so my cards weren't. I didn't have the best cards. I didn't. Nobody has the same hand of cards. Nobody. So you have to do what you have to do with your set of cards, and I do what I have to do for my set of cards. With that being said, I'm 22 years old. I make good amount of money for my age, and especially not for my age. You know, even people older than me, I make good money for people older than me. And I'm fighting for true financial freedom. I'm fighting for going on vacations, doing what I truly want to do. I'm fighting for that every single day. I'm fighting for that. And that's, in my opinion, what you guys need to do. You guys don't need to get a fucking BMW M4 like everybody else does. You don't need a C8. You don't need any of that bullshit. You need financial freedom. When you have financial freedom, you have location freedom. When you have mental freedom, you have family freedom. You have health freedom. You can buy your way out of everything that you think you can't, you know? You can buy your health. You can buy your health. You can buy your looks. You can buy your speed with your cars. You can buy the way you sleep. You can buy all of these things. That's true financial freedom. Money, in fact, does buy happiness. Money buys happiness, whether it's permanently or temporarily in certain aspects. Money buys a level of happiness in every aspect in the world. Okay, so with that being said, that's what I'm fighting for. I'm fighting for financial freedom, and I'm done talking about it. I keep saying it. If you guys have any questions for me whatsoever, go ahead and DM me down on Instagram below. I respond to every single DM that I get on Instagram. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. So there's a free Discord. So that will also be linked down in the description below. If you want to know what I do, I have a free training. And within that link, you can also apply to work one-on-one with me, where I fucking teach you the way. I'm not teaching you how to dropship. I am teaching you how to dropship. But I'm also teaching you how to be a man, how to run a business, LLCs, tax write-offs, all of it. I'm teaching you things step by fucking step. I just dropped my phone. We are going to Dubai next month. If you guys don't know, Klaus, he should be going by Klaus on YouTube. Klaus, I'm going with him, and I'm going with AJ Ramirez. I think that's his last name. My boy AJ and my boy Klaus. We are going to Dubai. Shit's gonna be a fire-ass vlog. I'm 22 years old. Klaus is 19 years old. I think AJ is about to turn 21 or 22 or 20. I'm not sure. But we're all fucking kids. We are all kids, okay? So that's gonna be the end of this video. With that being said, like I said, questions, DM me down on fucking Instagram below. I answer everybody. I try to help out as many people as possible, because I fucking needed that help when I was first starting. And guess what? I didn't have any of that. So with that being said, y'all motherfuckers will have a good day. Type shit. As I was ending my video, I gotta say, fucking crazy.